Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so we're doing chapter 34, problem 65 here. So this problem says, if you run away from a plane mirror at a speed of 3.6 meters per second, at what speed does your image move away from you? Okay, so to start thinking about this problem, we need to use the fact that we know for plane mirrors, the image distance is exactly the opposite of the object distance. That's always true for these plane mirrors. So now with this fact, we can figure out what the image speed is going to be, okay? So what we want to do is figure out how we get a velocity from this. And we know a velocity is just a distance over time, so we can just differentiate the distance. So the object speed here, velocity, is going to be the derivative of the object distance with respect to time. And similarly, the image speed is going to be the same with the image distance with respect to time. Okay, but we know that s equals negative s prime, so we can now just easily relate this to being that v is also negative v prime. Okay, so that means our image is also moving away from the mirror at 3.6 meters per second. So we know that v prime is negative 3.6 meters per second. But now the question isn't really asking for this. The question is asking, what speed does your image move away from you? So if you're moving away from the mirror at 3.6 meters per second, and the image is moving away from the mirror at 3.6 meters per second in the opposite direction, that means the relative speed here of your image to you is going to be these added together or subtracted from each other, which is going to be 7.2 meters per second. Awesome.